Well, howdy y'all. I'm Duffeck with the new real estate crew at eXp Realty in Austin, Texas. And today we are just outside Austin in Leander, Texas, away from all the hustle and the bustle. And we are at my new listing on 2 acres on Dews Road. Williamson County is one of the fastest growing counties in the nation, just outside of Austin. And here in Leander, you will have no shortage of shopping and dining, and great access into Austin through Austin's Metro Rail Park and Ride, which is just minutes away. This 2-acre property feels like it's on 100 acres. It's surrounded by the Leander and Williamson County ETJs, along with other private property. While we're in North Leander, the home sits in the Liberty Hill ISD, which has become widely popular for its smaller class sizes and its strong academic and sports programs. This beautiful home was built in 2001 and is 4 sides Texas white stone with a beautiful wraparound covered porch, 2-car carport with covered breezeway, open the door to beautiful polished concrete floors, a wide open bright kitchen with breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and so much more. And it's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with concrete floors. Look at this, so quiet, so peaceful and serene. There's nobody around. They tell me at night you can see the Milky Way up above. Imagine, just 45 minutes outside of Austin, coming home to this. If you or anyone you know is thinking about buying or selling a home in the new year here in 2018, be sure to give me a call. This is by far one of the best values out there. I challenge you to find any property on acreage at this price. Duffeck with the new real estate crew, eXp Realty. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.